Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your Nintendo Switch. So this is easy to do. I currently have this docked to my TV right now. So what I want to do is go to System Settings, scroll on down on the left, and you can find TV Settings and go to the right. The first option will be TV Resolution. So by default, it should be set to automatic, but we can switch it manually to 1080p. Now you may encounter a TV that does not support 1080p, and you might have it set to 1080p, and it will show up as a black screen then. So you want to just make sure this is set to automatic, and it will default to the highest resolution that you connect your device to. So you should be good to go. Otherwise, you can just manually set it. Then you have RGB range right here. You can just leave this automatic. Otherwise, you can go to full range and see if that works, or you can go to limited. You can see when I switch this around, sometimes it's a little bit darker. It's going to go to no signal and then back to the screen. But one is a little more grayed out than the other. So I'm just going to leave mine at automatic. But you can just go through that just to see if there's one thing that is a little bit better for you or not. Then look at the other options in here, and you should be good to go changing your resolution. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.